we thought that it would be really fun to show you how, at least I like to set an 18th century sleeve. So we're starting with the shoulder strap is pinned into place where I had put it before when I had fit the bodice on Nicole. So it's not stitched down, but it's pinned into place so I can adjust it if I need to. And now all we have to do is pull the sleeve up over her arm. This is a two-piece shaped sleeve that was trendy starting in the early 1780s and up through basically the rest of the decade. So the seam lines up here, and then another seam is back here, so it goes right to the front and to the back. So the way I like to start is I always like to start at the top of the armpit here, and then I work under to the back and then over to the back, so that way whatever's left over here, I can just take the tucks that are needed. I'm bringing this folded bit up basically to right where the shoulder strap is, because that's going to be the transition point for the sleeve. So I'm happy with how the underarm is fitting and how it's sitting here, so now we just have to get this sorted out. So folding that back. Nicole also told me that she did actually partially stitch them down.
Just the lining.
So that makes it easier.
Just the lining, so that way we can flip the top back.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you can see there's all this excess up here. That's normal for 18th century sleeves. It helps with a little bit of movement, things like that. But you want the excess to kind of be towards the top back portion here. There's no point in me like trying to like shove that into there at this point. So I'm just gonna take probably like 2 small tucks and see what we have left. A trick with fitting sleeves too on someone else is try not to stab them and try not to actually pin to their shift or stays. See, there's a little bit of excess here. I can pin that down, but you can see once the shoulder strap's actually over top of it, it'll pretty much disappear. It's just a little bit of ease. I'm gonna test to see how the shoulder strap looks in place and like the sleeve looks, so I'm just gonna fold this over, just like so, and just quickly fold it just to kind of get an idea of how it's actually looking as like a finished product. A tricky point's always right here at that switch point, so I'm just gonna go in there and just kind of fiddle with it a little bit. And Nicole is also fully capable of fiddling with this herself, but I'm really happy with how it is here. There's a little bit of ease, but it's fine. You see that in 18th century, and I know how Nicole likes to sew sleeves in, so I'm also really actually not that concerned about it. She can also drop that like so, fold it like so, and we're good. And that is one way you can set an 18th century sleeve. Sorry.